Hi everyone, Adrienne Everheart here. I want to talk a little bit about how to turn the tables on your breakup after a breakup's happened. And this could include even when your husband or your spouse or you're in a relationship and they suddenly go cold on you and just start avoiding you. Once avoiding in a relationship happens, it can often signal the end because of how we respond. So I'm going to give you some tips about how to turn the tables on this, how to really turn it around so that you don't respond in a way that is going to absolutely crush this relationship and you can actually start over and build something new. So first of all, if you like my videos, if you like the messages that I send to you, please do a thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button. I have a little heart over here somewhere, or maybe it's over here, I'm not sure. But please click my little heart, subscribe, and head on over to my website. I'm at everheartcoaching.com. I actually have a free newsletter and a little free ebook I'll send you when you sign up there. So let's talk about how to turn the tables in your breakup. So when a breakup happens, you may have seen in my other videos that you actually get triggered to start pursuing the man. Now this is just a natural DNA reaction that you want to start pursuing, you want to solve it, you want to figure it out, you get in your boy energy and you start actually doing things that you wish the man would be doing to win you back. That includes things like gift giving and calling him and checking up on him. The other thing you do is you really rack your brain on why. And you want to go over every little detail and every little argument and figure out everything that could have possibly happened that made this breakup happen. So all that is your glorious, magnificent little word machine up here doing its job, and it's trying to solve a problem, which is what our brains are good at. Now, most of my clients are really powerful dynamite women, and they're very intelligent. They're business owners, they are doctors, they're attorneys, they're way up there on the line of being professional women. Now, I also have women who, are house cleaners and things like this, but they are still powerful dynamite thinkers. And I want to just add that when you are an intelligent, powerful woman, you try to think your way out of everything. And this is an emotional problem. A breakup is an emotional problem. You cannot solve it by thinking. So one of the fastest ways you can start turning the table on this is just realize you're not going to find an answer. There's not going to be an answer. You're going to go to your girlfriend, your mom, your everyone, and talk to them and say, well, this happened, and then he said that, and then that was the night that I told him finally, and you're going to go over all these details trying to find the solution. And just go ahead and accept that you're not going to know the answer. You're not going to know the answer, but if he wanted to be with you, he would. That's what matters. So this is going to help you get to a new place energetically with your vibe that's going to help you adjust and give you the best chances. Now, this is not always a fast thing. This is not a get your ex back in 24 hours sort of mentality or program. This didn't happen overnight, and it's not going to be cured overnight. It's not going to be fixed overnight, okay? So it's going to take a little time, all right? So now that you've been able to slow down your energy and kind of get back to a starting place, this is where you really want to figure out, how can I keep my energy here? How can I stay in this place where I'm feeling healthy, stable, warm, and strong? So if the man does come back around, I'm not going to react with anger and malice or be, snippy or rude to him. How can I really show him that I really want to work things out and I want to see what he can do to start solving this relationship and start fixing it, okay? So one of the best things you can do is really examine who he was before the breakup. I'm not talking about the night of the breakup, or I'm not talking about the last fight you had, but who has he really been the last, say, 3 weeks or 3 months even? So I want you to just look, was he really showing up? Was he really devoted to the relationship? Was he giving you lots of love and attention? Was he coming to events that were important to you? Was he at home for dinner? Was he calling you? Was he cuddling you? Was he texting you? Was he representing in the relationship? Was he really doing these things? Who was he prior to the breakup by about 3 weeks or 3 months. And is that man your dream relationship? Now, I know there were some good times. I know there were some good times in those last 3 weeks or those last 3 months, but I want you to take a realistic look at who he really was during that time. Is that your dream relationship? Is that what you've been waiting your whole life to finally have with someone? I hope the answer is most likely no. When you can shift your energy to no, this wasn't feeling good. I wasn't happy. I wasn't getting love. I wasn't getting respected. He was never calling. I wasn't getting any cuddles. He'd show up and then last minute he'd call and bail on me. So I want you to get to that place energetically where you can recognize that this guy was not in the healthiest place for you. So why do we want to do this? I'm not talking you out of him. It adjusts your energy. You go from a place of, baby, baby, come back to me however you are. I'll take you back. No. That old relationship had to end for a good reason. Adjust your energy to that. You'll start thinking differently. You'll respond differently. You'll speak differently. He'll feel it in your vibe. He may text you while you're even watching this video as you're shifting your energy. All right, it happens with my clients all the time. All right, I would love to teach you more. I have a couple of programs over on my website. It's through a little school I teach called Love Academy, and one of them is the ABCs to get him back. Again, this works no matter if you are married or having a breakup or whatever your situation is. Even if he's blocked you on email and Facebook and things like this, I give you the tips to help start turning this around and rebuilding. I did it with my guy. We had 3 tumultuous breakups and we were able to get back together and repair and actually become stronger than I ever imagined. So I take all of my knowledge, all of my sources from this, and I share them with you. All right, so head on over to everheartcoaching.com. Click on Get Him Back. I really look forward to hearing from you in the comments section. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and please feel free to subscribe. Much love to you all. Bye-bye.